Okay, this used to be our Florida room until about 5 years ago when we got all our birds. They decided they were taking over the room. So we have Gator there. There's Gator and Ringo's cage. They're let out quite often. And we have Wobbles and Boo Boo's cage. This one is a hot tub, which you can see the birds have taken over. So the plan is to get my Florida room back somewhat and build the birds in an aviary outside. So this is the Florida room. What we're going to do is take that old canopy framing, clean it up, and put it over in this corner, make the birds an aviary, and cleaning all the stuff we had over there, putting it over here, or something like that. And we'll record the progress of the Jacques Flock's new aviary. We'll keep you updated.